Guys, how are you? I am just fine. So let's start talking about how to calculate any EMI in just 1 minute without learning any formula. So let's start. As you seeing this table on my screen, in this table your principal amount is 1 lakh and the rate of interest is 12% for 2 years. So let's calculate the EMI for this amount. First you have to go to any cell and just type equals to PMT. Click, bracket open, bracket close, and you can see FX on your screen and click it. Now there is nothing to do, just fill in the information and it will automatically generate EMI and give it to you. So your rate of interest is 12% divided by 12 because you are calculating per month EMI. If you are calculating quarterly EMI, then divide 4 and half yearly divided by year 6. Number of years 2 multiplied by 12. 24 months on your principal amount is 1 lakh and click it OK, and your per month EMI is 4707.35. So this is your per month EMI. So use this method and find any amount EMI. So next video about in this EMI how many amount you pay as interest and how many amount you pay as principal amount in your per month EMI. Thanks for watching this video. See you soon.